luck, guys.
Luck, guys.
Hey guys.
With 8.77% of the total combined votes, kayo ang Pinoy Big Brother Celebrity Collab Edition 4th Big Placer Duo. Congratulations! As for AZ and River, our 4th Big Placers. Such an incredible fight. Magpaalam na sa inyong mga kasama. We're ready to welcome you here in the outside world.
At kasama nga natin ngayon ang mga momshi ng ating 4th Big Blazer Duo, si Mommy Bing at Mommy Aida.
Mami Aida, gusto kong malaman, ano ang reaction mo dahil ang anak ninyo ang nahirang na 4th Big Placer Duo for the very first time?
Actually, all winners na talaga sila. And,
Yes,
diba?
yes.
Yeah, so we're just so happy that he got to this point. Very happy.
Kumbaga, it's already a success.
Yes.
Sumakses na sila na nandito na sila sa point na ito.
Yes.
Sumubrang pagka-success naman, partner. Si Mommy naman. Ano po ang pakiramdam na 4th Big Blazer Duo?
Oh, I'm so proud of them. I'm really proud of them. Thank you.
Hanggang ngayon ba kinakabahan pa rin kayo? Kasi kanina talagang naka-holding hands sila.
Yes.
Nakaganon. Hindi humihinga sila, Mami.
Parang sila ang magka-duo eh.
Oo nga, pati ikaw, partner, napansin ko, parang hindi ka humihinga kanina.
Ayoko huminga kasi alam mo na. Charing lang. Kaya naman, para salubungin natin ang ating 4th Big Blazer Duo! Tony, Robbie, and Gabby!
Eto na ang misunuring daughter ng Cebu, AZ!
At ang sporty business bro ng Muntinlupa City, River!
Our 4th Big Placer Duo, Alpha!
Yeah! Hi guys!
Welcome to the outside
Welcome back to the outside world! Isang tumatagumpong na NFT! Our 4th Big Placers! Grabe ang roller coaster ng journey ninyo sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya. How does it feel na umabot hanggang dulo?
Grabe, parang panaginip. I can't believe na we're here. At maraming salamat talaga sa mga suporta nyo talaga.
AZ,
We
welcome
couldn't
to
do it
the-
without you. And ayun, I love you all. Maraming salamat po.
And ikaw naman, AZ, what can you say? Oh my God, ang daming tao! Oh my God! Thank you so much. Sobrang grateful po ako for everyone and for being here. I never expected to reach this far. I never expected to be here at all. Kaya sobrang thank you. I'm so overwhelmed. I don't know what to say. Sobrang thank you po talaga. Congratulations at nandito nga ang inyong mahal sa buhay. At syempre, tanggapin nyo na ang inyong award from Bingo Plus. Congratulations, Asver!
Muli mga kapuso at kapamilya, our 4th Big Placers, Asver! Eto na ang 3rd Big Placer Duo. Kikilalanin na natin sa pagbabalik ng Pinoy Big